How can you touch her during a hug so she feels it instantly? Most men assume a hug is just a hug, a polite gesture, a friendly greeting. What they don't realize is that in that brief moment of contact, there's a hidden switch for connection. When done with the right unconscious signals, a hug becomes a silent conversation that can build attraction faster than words ever could. Today, I'm going to share 4 unspoken rules that can turn a simple hug into something unforgettable. The mistake most men make is thinking that touch is just physical contact. In reality, it's a language. Her nervous system reads your pressure, your positioning, and your timing as signals of safety, strength, and desire. Learn to speak this language, and you'll communicate value on a deeper, more instinctive level. Let's start with the first secret: the anchoring palm, the foundation of a magnetic hug. Secret 1. The anchoring palm. Where you place your hand sends your first message. Most men place their hand high on the back or give a light pat. That's the language of a friend. A stronger move is to rest your palm firmly on the lower back, just above the tailbone. This isn't just a romantic idea. It's neurological. That area is closely linked to feelings of stability and protection. When your hand stays there calmly and confidently, it often goes unnoticed consciously, but it communicates presence and security. It shows that you can provide both physical and emotional grounding. Second secret: unshakable containment. This is where intention meets physicality. A loose, uncertain hug signals hesitation. It feels like you're asking for permission to be there. Your hug should feel secure, steady, even pressure that surrounds her. Don't squeeze too tightly, but let it feel firm. This creates a genuine sense of comfort. She should feel briefly held within your presence, not just brushed by your arms. That consistent containment, the feeling of being held, is rare, and it creates an immediate sense of calm, along with a subtle emotional pull. Third secret: the alchemy of duration. Timing is your silent chemistry. A quick hug is no different from a handshake, but something deeper develops between the 5th and 7th second. This is when the bonding hormone, oxytocin, begins to rise more noticeably. Most men get nervous and pull away after 3 seconds, worried they've stayed too long. That hesitation is felt. Staying for 5 to 7 calm, steady seconds creates a suspended moment. It gives her nervous system time to relax into the connection. The outside world softens, and all that remains is the shared rhythm of breathing and the security of your presence. This pause is where ordinary contact becomes memorable. If you're enjoying this, take a moment to like the video. Now here's the final move that most men never truly understand. Secret 4. The lasting signature. The release isn't the end, it's your final note. Don't pull away abruptly. The last moment of contact is what lingers in the mind the longest. As you gently lean your torso back, let one hand slowly glide from her back down along her arm, or lightly brush the back of her neck or her hair with intention. This isn't a grab, it's a subtle trace. Why does this matter? The neck is a sensitive area, rich in nerve endings. A brief, respectful touch as you part leaves a final signal of trust and confidence. It creates a faint echo on her skin, a sensation that remains even after you've stepped away. She'll notice that trace, and her mind will naturally replay the moment. Understand this: the difference between an average man and a captivating one isn't found in grand words. It's built on these small, precise details that connect directly with the subconscious. Now you have the foundation to turn a simple gesture into something far more meaningful. Use it with respect, with confidence, and only when your interest is genuine. If this changes how you see every interaction, support the channel. Like the video, and for more insights on mastering nonverbal connection, follow Mindscape Mentor.